So welcome to TechieTalker. You're watching this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer this Android device audio to your laptop or any computer via Bluetooth. Then you can listen this Android device audio to your laptop and also via headphones if headphones plugged into your laptop Android device. Like you can see, the audio is now coming from this Android device speaker. And now you will see the sound of this Android device is now transferred to the laptop, and here you will see. And this is better than the original wireless headphones. And now laptop is connected to this headphone and the sound is coming from my headphones. This Android is connected to it now. This headphones is now the wireless headphones. So you can see I'm using this headphones mic, so this is the only way to show you. So yeah, so if you want this, then keep watching this video. So in the desktop, just open the Microsoft Store app and search for the Bluetooth audio, and this one is the first, that is Bluetooth audio receiver, and just install it. If you can't install it, then make sure your Windows is updated. Just turn on the Windows update once. So after installation, just launch this app, and this contains no extra features, like it's just simple. Just turn on your Bluetooth of your laptop, and let me show you on the Android device. Music is playing on my phone. Don't cry, snowman, not in front. Now just turn on the Bluetooth of your Android device and pair it. And click on your device. My device is Poco X2, and click on open connection, and now the audio is coming from your laptop. And you can see the latency of it, like it's better than your original wireless headphone. So just click your Android device, open connection, and boom, the audio is transferred. And here you can see the bar of the Android, bar of the Windows sound system properties. This is showing that audio is coming from my computer, not this Android device. And this is not the screen mirroring, it's the two different recordings that are combined it to make a better look here. So let me check it by another device, that is Redmi 5 Plus. Just click on the open connection, and Bluetooth is not turned on yet. So here you can see the audio is coming from my Android device, and just turn on the Bluetooth. Connection is already and yeah, connected, and now audio is coming from my laptop. So you can listen the audio from this screen recording. And now the audio is transformed to my headphone. And like me, if you have a gaming headphone then and also a USB headphone, then this method is for you. So enjoy everything. Like you can see, the latency is very low, you can play games on it. And And in the screen recording here you can see when a music is playing, and then you have to click on this icon, the circle icon. Then you can select between devices which device you want to transfer your audio. And you can enjoy TikTok, Reels and anything. There is no wire connected to my Android device, but so yeah, that's it for now.
So thanks for watching. Hope you really like this video, and if you really enjoyed this video, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you will be notified when I upload these type of tech related videos. So see you in the next video.